What would truly happen if you committed to just 50 bodyweight squats every single day? No weights, no machines, just your body and unwavering consistency. This simple habit can unlock remarkable changes, building a foundation of strength and resilience that extends far beyond just your legs. Squats are a powerhouse exercise, engaging your quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes, while also activating your core and lower back for stability. The beauty is, they require no special equipment, making them accessible anywhere, whether you're at home, in a park, or even a hotel room. In week 1, your body begins its adaptation. Expect some muscle soreness as your tissues respond to the new stimulus, a sign of growth beginning. By week 2, you'll notice a significant shift. Everyday movements, like climbing stairs, become noticeably easier, a testament to your developing leg strength. Entering week 3, your balance and coordination will improve. You'll feel more stable and grounded, enhancing your overall body control. As you reach the end of month 1, your legs will be stronger, your posture more aligned, and your natural movement patterns more efficient. This consistent effort builds a robust foundation, preparing your body for more complex movements and greater physical challenges. Now, let's be realistic. 50 bodyweight squats a day won't transform you into a bodybuilder overnight. However, they lay the essential groundwork, strengthening the very muscles that support every powerful movement your body makes. This daily practice isn't just about physical strength. It's about cultivating discipline and self-control. The hidden benefit? A profound boost in confidence. As you consistently achieve this small goal, you build belief in your ability to tackle larger ones. This newfound self-assurance radiates into all areas of your life, empowering you to move with purpose and conviction. So, are you ready to embrace this simple yet powerful habit? Start today. Break your 50 squats into manageable sets throughout your day. Stay consistent and watch as your body and mind transform. The journey of a stronger you begins with that first squat. How many squats are you doing today? Join the movement and build your foundation.